Hi, this is Jenna Fury 35, and I'm here with an unboxing. I'm going to unbox an indoor antenna. We had our house resided, and my outdoor antenna had to be removed. So I'm going to use this as the antenna for my DVR, and my other indoor antenna will be used when I want to watch one show while recording another. Now this comes with the antenna, 1 loop and 2 dipoles. The loop is for UHF channels, and the dipoles are for VHF channels. There's the thing that they put on the top of the box, to keep everything in there. Alongside the outer box fire. Here's the antenna, the dipoles in the loop. Here is the base of the antenna and the loop. And here are the dipoles. I will see you guys later.